In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a buy button in Shopify. This is a great way to make shopping easier for your customers and help increase conversions on your store. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page of your store, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section allows you to manage and install apps for your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar and type Buy Me Sticky Buy button. When the app appears in the results, click on it to open the app page. You'll see details about the app and its features. Now click on Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After the app is installed, choose a pricing plan if prompted. You can select the free plan to get started. Next, open the app settings and enable the sticky buy button for both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures customers can easily access the buy button on any screen size. You can also customize the button appearance, colors, and position to match your store design. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a buy button to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.